Hey, what's up everybody? Making a quick meal, grits and sausage. So the first thing you want to do is measure out about 1/4 cups of grits. So a fourth would be about right there. Right, that's a half. Anyway, so I already got that measured. Pour in the bowl about yay big. Then you want almost a cup of water. Pour that in. Add just salt and pepper. Salt and pepper's here. Stick it in the microwave. Stick it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Okay. Grits are done. Okay, the grits are done. I'm gonna add some butter to that. And you can adjust the texture of the grits. You don't have to put a cup of water in. Maybe 3/4 cups if you like it stiff. But if you like it like this, then almost a cup will do. And now let's cook the sausages. These are Banquet brown and served sausages. And for the sausages, you only need 1 minute. And the sausages are done. And these are maple syrup. There you go. Sausage and grits. Oh, delicious. It's like the perfect combination. I'm Big Brian. Bon appetit.